In this video, I will show you how to create a smooth slide transition in After Effects. This is a simple technique that does not require any plugins. First, make sure you have both of your clips in the timeline and Motion Blur is enabled in the project panel. Select the first clip and press P on your keyboard to bring up the position settings. Click on the stopwatch icon next to the position values to create a keyframe. Now, move this keyframe a few frames ahead from the start of the clip. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and drag the clip to the right until it moves completely out of the frame. Then, move the keyframe to the end of the clip. Select both keyframes, press F9 on your keyboard to ease the animation, and adjust the graph to match a smooth motion curve. Now, select the second clip and do the same steps but in the opposite direction. Set a position keyframe at the start and move it ahead a few frames. Move the playhead back to the start of the clip and drag the clip to the left until it is completely out of the frame. Ease both keyframes and adjust the graph to match the same smooth motion. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Motion Tile. Drag it onto the first clip. Set the output width to 400, then copy and paste the effect onto the second clip as well. Now, play the video to see your smooth slide transition in action. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out more videos like this. Thanks for watching.